The Amsterdam Modeling Suite contains various compute engines, from computationally expensive and highly accurate to computationally light and more approximate. To help you choose the right model or generate the right training data for your own parameterized model, we have added some tools that help you compare compute engines. One such tool is the replay task. With the replay task, we can take an AMS calculation and recalculate it frame by frame, but with another engine. It can be a molecular dynamics trajectory, a transition state search, or potential energy surface scan. AMS will use the exact same molecular structures for the replay, but update all properties with those of the new engine along the way. Let's have a look at an example. Here I have run a nudged elastic band calculation with the extended tight binding code GFN1XTB to locate the transition state of this simple hydrochlorination. GFN1XTB is a computationally fast quantum mechanical method, but it's not extremely accurate in predicting reaction energies. To see how the GFN1XTB energies compare to a more expensive computational method directly, we can just replay the calculation with ADF. For this, I open a new input and choose the task Replay. After choosing a functional and a basis set, I can now specify what calculations should be replayed in the Details panel. Here I select the previous NEB calculation before saving and running the calculation. Note that this is not an NEB calculation with ADF now, which would have produced a slightly different transition state and slightly different images. Instead, this is a more accurate energy and properties calculation for every geometry found in the initial NEB calculation. Of course, we can also use a more approximate but much faster engine such as ReaxFF for the replay. Here's what all three calculations look like together. Apart from comparing engines this way, this feature comes in very handy when constructing training data for parameterized models. In fact, this was the original motivation for adding this feature. So that's it for today. I hope you found this useful, and as always, we're happy to answer any questions or comments below this video.